In 2019, 1 in 7 people were directly or indirectly employed in New Zealand's tourism industry. That's nearly 400,000 people. So, what do all these people do? Well, tourism is made up of multiple diverse sectors, from accommodation or food and beverage to air and space transport. Tourism has it all. With so many diverse roles, the career pathways truly are endless, and with so much choice, it can be hard to know which path to take. Welcome to the world of tourism. The world of tourism is a tool that can help you navigate and plan your career. If you know what sectors of tourism you'd like to explore, you can start here and select one of these options to check out example career pathways. If you prefer to explore by job title, simply drag the pink arrow and click on an entry-level role to discover where that job could take you. As you discover this path, you may want to know more about a specific job. Simply click on that job card to see more details below. Starting with a general description of the job, you'll find helpful information such as the estimated salary range, as well as what the responsibilities could be, where you can study for this role, what experience is required, and skills that may come in handy. Want to jump ahead to where this job could take you? Simply click on a different job card or choose a job from the career path on the right. Being such a wide industry, career paths in tourism aren't always straightforward. It's common to take the transferable skills from a job in one role to land a new job in another. Not sure where you could go? Click on this icon to check out what other jobs you could branch out to from this role. It's never been easier to delve into the world of tourism. With all these endless paths and possibilities ahead of you, why not go with tourism?